Cooking popcorn on a Blackstone. Test 1. I'm surprised it's not popping.
No, popcorn takes a few minutes to get going.
Oh, I heard a pop.
Oh, yeah. Yay! Awesome!
What if I took the lid off and let it do it? Then I could.
Give it a try. Usually you cook popcorn in a kettle with a lid on it.
Yeah, because it's the
It
steam
keeps the
thing.
steam in.
When you move it around, it's just resting on the. Okay, we're going to lift it up. There it is. Spray it with some canola. Hit it with these nuts. Give it a little tossy toss. Where's your bowl?
It's right here. You better get the shovel.
Oh, yeah. Where's the shovel? Okay.
Action shot. That's fantastic. Watch out, it's leaking. Oh, it's coming out but two places.
Let's see that.
Oh my god! Oh my god, are you filming?
Yeah.
Okay. It's hilarious.
There's no controlling it. It's gonna burn because you can't stir it or shake it. You need a big shaker. You need one of those orchard shakers on here. There'd be a little collateral damage here. You have to open it up and stir it.
Oh yeah.
I turn down the heat there at the end so it's not burning.
That's a good idea. Oh, that's so good. We'll have to take our act on the road. Like the kettle corn people.
So how we do?
My gosh, it's fantastic.
I love it when a plan comes together.
So good.
Yeah, you put a brown sugar in there, or a little more sugar, and we got kettle corn. We get some char pieces there.
They're the best.
They're the best. That's for the birdies, who we love so much.